Hello guys, welcome back to another lecture in this course. So in this lecture, we are going to take a look into the NumPy. So a NumPy library is part of a Python library, which is used to work with the arrays. And when you talk of arrays, you're talking about the numbers. And it also has functions which works within linear algebra and the matrices and some mathematical computation like LCM, trig ratios, etc. So NumPy stands for numerical Python. And why we should use NumPy in data science and data analysis, it is very faster when dealing with numbers. So in NumPy, we are normally dealing with arrays. And arrays are very frequently used in data science, where speed and resources are very important. So I shall be demonstrating how we can import NumPy and how we use NumPy when analyzing data. So I'll be giving you a general overview of NumPy. So first thing, we have to import NumPy here. Let us import NumPy, import NumPy as, let us give an alias as NP. Now, after importing NumPy, like I said, NumPy, it works with the array. So obviously, let us create our array here. Array is equals to NumPy, which is NP dot, we call our array function here. Then bracket, and our array is going to be in a list like this. Let us just put numbers 1, 2, 3, and 4. These numbers. Then after doing so, we print our array. Okay, let us run. Okay, this is the result of our array, as you can see here. And if you want to check the type of array that you are having, you can just say print here, bracket, let's say type, bracket again. Let us close here and let us run our code. You can see that this is our n-dimensional array that we are having here of NumPy. Okay, we can create any type of list that we want. Because if you want to create a tuple, it means we are going to say array is equals to NumPy dot array. Instead of making a list, we can create a tuple 1, 2, 3, 4. As you can see here, then we can print our array here. As you can see, we can still get an array, as you can see. So in arrays, we have different dimension, okay? We have 2-dimensional array, 1-dimensional array, so on and so on, okay? As you can see, this one is a 1-dimensional array as it is. But you can also create a 2-dimensional array. So when you're creating a 2-dimensional array, so in these 2-dimensional array, they are normally used in matrices. So let us create a 2-dimensional array. So NumPy dot array, bracket. Let us create a 2-dimensional array. Let us just say 1, 2, 3. Okay. Comma. Let us create another list here. Let us say 7, 8, 9. So this is a 2-dimensional array that we have created here. So we can type print here when you run your code. So this is called a 2-dimensional array. This is a 1-dimensional array, as you can see. Okay, let us create a 3-dimensional array. So to create a 3-dimensional array is simple. We just call our array variable here is equals to NumPy dot array. Okay, so here we are creating now our 3-dimensional array. Let us say 1, 2, and 3. Okay, we put our comma here. Then let us say 4, 5, and 6. These are our values. Okay, let us put our comma here. Clear this. So as you can see, this one is a 2-dimensional array here. So here we have closed our 2-dimensional array. Now we have to add another array to create a 3-dimensional array. So we open again then let us say 7, 8, and 9, comma, then let's say 10, 11, and 12, and one square bracket is missing here. Let us add a square bracket so that we have this here and this here. So this is a three-dimensional array. Let us display our three-dimensional array. Let us run our code here. Right, as you can see here, this is a three-dimensional array. Okay, this is a pure three-dimensional array. So this is how we print arrays. And if you want to see the array name, you can just say array dot dimension here. Let us run and see. Okay, so we can see the result. This is a three-dimensional array, as you can see. And something important in array is to locate the values. For example, let us say we have an array like this. Let us create a one-dimensional array so that it is simple to explain. We have a one-dimensional array, and it is having values, as you can see. These are just the simple values that we're having. So this array, we need to locate the index of this array. Okay, so to locate the index of this array, we just say array, then let us say 0 here. We should get this 1 as our result, as you can see. So this is how we locate values in an array. And also we can add these arrays. Okay, let us say array 0, location 0 plus the array in 3. We should get 5. This plus 0, 1, 2, 3 plus this one, we get 5. Okay, you can sort data in an array. Okay, you can sort data in an array. For example, array is equals to NumPy dot array. So probably the data is like this. This is the way the data is, and you want to sort it. So what you do, you just say NumPy dot sort. So you print NumPy dot sort, then you pass your array there. Then you'll be able to sort. As you can see, we have successfully sorted our data. So I think we have a lot of things that we can look into an array, but this is just the basic overview of how to deal with an array. When you're analyzing your data, you can locate, you can create two-dimensional arrays. There are a lot of things that you can do with arrays. So I have a course that I had created before, which explained in detail about NumPy, pandas, and Seaborn in detail. So you can click the link below and dive into that course and see what you can learn. Okay then, I think this is all for this lesson. Thank you for watching. See you on the next lesson. Bye-bye.